Hey traders, welcome to episode 428 of the show. Long time no see. I haven't seen you all in so many billions of years, so many kappas of years. Bitcoin so me versus Bitcoin. Bitcoin was just beating me on subs, on dollar amounts, but now it's pulled back. I've taken the lead. I have taken the lead on Bitcoin once again. We just got as high as 5,087 before wicking off. What did we wick off? In October of 2017. Small scrub resistance, was it? Yep, scrubby resistance back from October 18th, 2017, man. Eons ago. Kappas ago. But now we're pulling back to the area that we broke. Remember the area that we've been struggling with towards the end of the stream? That almost 4-hour stream. 4946. What's up, Andrew, man? Thanks for joining House Armada, man. Kangs. Dude, y'all believe this, dude? Y'all want to talk about crazy? You see how the tip jar isn't there, man? They like went into my account and tried all this stuff, and they said, there's legit a bug. There is a bug that I have now. What would they say verbatim? It's on Stream Elements, dude. I've identified a bug and reported it to the developers. Nothing else to be done at this time. So my tip jar is broken, but no one else on the internet, their tip jar isn't broken. My tip jar randomly broke today. 6+ months doing it on this same account. Nothing changed, and all of a sudden it just doesn't work anymore. It's like, are you kidding? So now it's like I am no tip jar scrub. Ray, what's up, dude? What's up, Julio? Thanks for joining House Harmonic, man. Kinks. Okay, so I tell you, dude, it's just like it's unrelenting. It's incessant issues and bugs with the technicals, and we're not talking about technical analysis. At least you get to see so much more of the screen now. Getting sabotaged, man. Saboteurs out there, man. They're not getting their fair share, so we're screwed. Okay, the Bitcoin, though, it's wonderful, all right? The fact is, we're back above 49.74, really. Back at 5,033 versus my 5,055. Who will win? Who will win this breakout that Bitcoin and me have both had? All right, so what we know? Still here, man. Dude, actually higher. We're right now 89. We're pretty much 89 on the RSI. Again, haven't seen that since December 7th of 2017. That was the midst of the insane Great FOMO of 2017. All right. Haven't had many great FOMOs, but that was one. And really, I don't know how we're going to break the 618 with this type of overboughtness. Okay. How do you break 5231 being at almost 90 on the RSI? Though we have seen in the past, you know, Bitcoin's all-time high on relative strength. It was back in 2013, was 97 on the daily. Not even kidding, dude. 97. How's that even real life? Okay. So what's happened before, you know, like the White Walkers existed once before, 3,000 plus years ago. So the chances of them coming back, Kappa, we are the White Walkers. We have destroyed the wall. And remember, the 50% retrace was Winterfell. And right now we're struggling with the peasants throughout the north. But we know 618 is White Harbor. And we know White Harbor would yield us extreme amounts of new troops because that is the most populated area of North Westeros. All right. So if we can overtake the 618, our army will grow tremendously, and we might have a really good shot of breaking to the 5,800 area, which is the 78.6% retrace, which is what we would think to be King's Landing. As White Walkers, can we make it? I'd preferably like to see us cool off on the RSI. Why don't we just get back to like 65 or something, reset the oscillator with a nice bull pull bull flag combination, and then run again, just to get overbought again, back to the same levels. What's wrong with that, dude? Sorry, man. You know, Bitcoin's up like 20+% in a day, a little over a day now. So this is bananas, man. This is straight up bananas. Everything's breaking and breaking out or breaking. All kinds of things happening right now, right? Okay, sorry. So, again, man, just bear with me, dude. I haven't even had time to really breathe, okay? I went off stream, had about an hour, and I've been dealing with this stupid Stream Elements issue with them, with the help desk for like straight up 40 minutes or something. So I've really, yeah, man, went downstairs for like a couple minutes, and here I am again, dude. Okay. What's up, Crypto Glass, man? Sweet. Octoman PCs, dude. I thought you were already a sub, dude. What's going on, man? What's happening, man? You just now subbing to the channel, dude? Sacrilege. Alright, so... Dude, I don't know, man. Bitcoin and me seem like we're just on the same tempo of just not stopping, okay? I streamed for over 8 hours yesterday into a now pretty much 4-hour live stream I did today, and here I am an hour later live just looking at it. Looking at Bitcoin. Chad, what do y'all have to say? What do you mean? Hey, man. I've said plenty, right? It's your turn to say something. Scorp Music, what's up, dude? Jared A.H. Rabbit Hole Research, what's up, dude? Louis Marriott, good to see you, dude. It's 4 a.m. You need to sleep. Well, then get some sleep, dude. Don't be up on my account, man. You're over there in the UK, dude. Slavi Tavi says 5,800. That is that's the battle for Westeros completely, man. It's over if we, really break 5,800. I don't know how we would ever do that, man. That is it, dude. That is like where we have more resistance above us than we have support below us. That's currently the situation on Bitcoin. All right, so getting up there, great areas of value to short if we could get there, which we just don't know yet. So extremely overbought. Oh man, you tried sending me some XRP last night, but couldn't get it to send. Someone did. It's so weird. See, there's Streamlabs, not Stream Elements, being an issue. They now don't accept cryptocurrency anymore. You can't even tip on the platform. For some, I don't think enough people use it. But someone did tip an XRP. Somehow it got to me. I didn't even notice because I didn't get. I got an email. That was it. Let's see here. But it won't tell me. Someone tipped me $18.39 of XRP, 58 XRP last night. Whoever that was, thank you so much. I got it. I just. Jose M, dude, thanks so much for joining the Patreon, dude. Getting no notifications on that dude, I'm not in nothing, dude. Everything's broken now. When Bitcoin broke out, it ruined and broke everything. But thank you, Jose M, dude. Really means a lot. Jesse T, thank you, dude, for joining. Again, Benjamin M, Nicola D, Miguel, Shalon P. I know you. Thank you. Thank you all for joining the Patreon today. Really appreciate it. It means everything. It is the beginning of the month, so it is the best area of value to be in the Patreon, where you get trade setups, you get education, and Discord exclusivity. early in the month, so this is the best time to get in. So thank you for joining us, House Harmonic. Anyway, so Matthew Chory, dude, tons of Zerps around. Oh yeah, dude, all the Zerps in the world. What's up, Darth Vader, Luke's Papa? What's up, dude? Hey, Crypto Cracker, man, what's crack-a-lackin'? Phil Centura, dude, 5K subs, 5K Bitcoin. Let's go. Let's go. Part 2, man. Part 2, not nearly as good as part 1. I don't feel like I'm gonna do near as well in this stream as I did in the stream today. Whew. I just don't have the gas in the tank, man. I haven't even caught up from last night, man. Like, I'm still like on, you know, this is like what happens. You get in this cycle of just like going. You just keep going, and you just don't even know, like, when do I stop, right? When is the recovery happen? You don't know. Okay, but that's what happens in these times with pumps and dumps. As we've seen in the past, 10-hour live streams back to back, right? We've done it. So, Rommel, Goulet, Blossom, and Bundles, hello. Got a comment on here so that your husband will pay attention to you. Okay, Blossoms and Bundles, get your husband to pay attention to you. And you just have to test him if he doesn't. And then if he really sucks, then yeah, you gotta change things up. And yeah, I don't know. I mean, you know, if I don't know, I'm not even talking about, I don't want to talk about relationship stuff. Okay, so anyway, what's up, George? You getting me off topic. Crypto military vet, welcome, dude. Thank you for your service, if that your name is true. What do I think of GoChain and the partnership with Dish Network? We're all waiting for an official announcement. I'm sure GoChain probably pumped on that, and will probably dump when the official announcement doesn't come. Okay, good for them though. That's awesome, dude. Buy the rumor, sell the news. What's poppin', Candlesticks, dude, with a Z? Dude, you know there's a restaurant called like the Candle or the Candlestick on Venice Beach. Legendary. Will we see $10,000 tonight? T.I. Ed? Yeah, dude. All the Kappas in the world, dude. Still live? Wow. Oh, I just got live again, Eric Whitehead. Thanks for coming by. Oh, dude, I don't know, man. This is kind of a hangout stream, and we're going to analyze Bitcoin and a few others while I just try to collect my thoughts. I'm still, again, sucking wind, I guess one could say, right? Crypto glasses up, dude. 5,300 take profit. It's a great area. Great area to do it, man. 5,300 though. I don't. What's 5,300? Is literally nothing, dude. It's not even a resistance. It's just a random area. It's a random vacuum in space, dude, between 5,231 and 5,807. So really 5,200. Nothing wrong with that area. But we know if we ever did break 5,200, it's off to the races for King's Landing. Okay, because we've already taken down again. Last Hearth, Winterfell, and we're soon approaching White Harbor. White Harbor, and then, you know, probably the 618 is like the Riverlands too. We just have to include it. I know it's much more southerly in Westeros, but like maybe we've already taken the north. But the 50% retrace is Winterfell and White Harbor, and let's just say the 618 is the Riverlands and where the Freys are, and maybe like Storm's End, and then again 786 is going to be King's Landing. We are the White Walkers. We broke the Ascending Triangle, the wall, and now we're running to take over Westeros. That's it, dude. You should watch we did a stream highlight static video today. Go watch it if you don't understand what I'm talking about. It was awesome. I can't believe how perfect it worked out too, man. Oh my God. Final season coming up, man. If you're not amped by that, then you didn't even watch the show. Crypto Glass you never watched before? Watch what, man? Just go to a Lightning wallet so people can tip there. Just like drinking a beer, man. Whatever, dude. Thanks, Blossom and Bundles. Yeah, get him by any means necessary by testing him, making him jealous to see if he actually cares about you. Get him jealous. I guess it's the only way to start it, to spark it, if he's complacent. All right. What's up, Matt Inman, dude? Rufio. Octo, man, you only have 2 Bitcoin? That's cool. Better than 0 Bitcoin, dude. Whatever, man. I saved your marriage? I highly doubt that, but thank you. You can't chart relationships, bruh. Hey, dude, we're not trying to fib it, or we're not trying to chart it, dude. We're just talking about simple support resistance, right? On a relationship. You can definitely chart support resistance. What's up, Yuri Chill? Welcome, man. Welcome, dude. Look, man. Y'all just bear with me. This is been a long couple days, and these things happen. XRP to BTC's falling BTC. Well then, Tim, man, I think we're gonna be kings. We might be kings then, dude. And Robert A would have to get a tattoo of XRP, which would be hilarious. We have him quoted, man. Octoman, yeah, he was, dude. Not really. He's not really following BTC at all, dude. The volatility is the real indicator. Volatility is the real big thing, right? Talk about it all the time. Volatility is the kryptonite of the BTC pairs. When Bitcoin breaks the upside violently, all the BTC pairs freak out bearishly for the most part. But then when Bitcoin pivots for a second and runs again on low volatility like it's been down here, random green candles, no big deal. This is not a big deal, this green candle. Everything can recover and go back to business as usual until the volatility picks up again, and then it's freak out mode, right? Rufio loves turtles. Hey man, me too. I like turtles. Chat, if you like turtles, type 1 in chat. Dude, I'm out of it right now. Oh yeah, Moat Kalen. That's another one they're taking too. Gotcha, dude. That's where the green seers are, or Jojin and Marine are from there, right? So bound by hatred, dude. Thanks, man. I appreciate it, dude. Much love, dude. Please tell you long or short, dude. I mean, the thing is, though my heart says to short because we're at 88. We're pretty much at 89 now. And we're at resistance points, you know, maybe the 618. But the thing is, like, dude, this thing could just stall out for like a few days, whatever, reset on the oscillators and just run again to 5800. But we knew. Like, you didn't even have to ask now, at any time, right? Down here, we were discussing this golden zone. This is not new news. This is nothing new. Where we are now is exactly where the TA being respected should be. Okay. Okay, we got a lot of ones. We got a lot of turtle lovers in the house. Congratulations, everybody. We got some turtles, baby.
I like turtles.
That boy is good.
Well, there you go, 150,000 ADO. You got it, man. Kangs. Is Kang Logan here, dude? Kang Logan, do you like turtles, man? I don't even think he's in here right now. Where after 5100? 5231. That's where. Boom. Answered. Eklund. Answered, dude. It just really, I mean, look, man. Complete outer space. There's nothing until 5800, really. I think there's one small candle close back from October 23rd, 2017 at 55.35. That's like nothing, though. But if you are extremely overbought when you're there, it might act as some sort of resistance, okay? So, but really, that's it, man. 618 to 786 is the big gap. That's why the golden zone, dude, you always have these big gaps. After you breach the golden zone, it's a long run to that next fib node, and that's where it's like, remember, the Riverlands and Moat Kalen and Storm's End all the way to King's Landing. Whew. She needs to take on the position of the Gartley so you can go long, and it would be the golden retrace, or the golden cross. Relationships, relatron ships need a fundamental analysis, not technical analysis. Only love turtles, Kang Logan, dude. Sorry, anything that has tron ships in it is gonna fail miserably. I'm sorry. Relatron ships. Destin son, boogers being picked in the hotel. Excuse my broken English, man. What's up, Aaron M, dude? It's time to drink beer and be bullish. Well, way ahead of you. I'm just exhausted, dude. I'm freaking dead right now. Just cannot drop below 4,800, 4,900. Fine with you. It's all good. 48, 4,900. What's wrong with that, dude? Like, whenever we decide to establish a swing high, we're going to go swing high. We're going to go swing low to swing high and see where those major retraces are. 38% retrace, probably going to be at 46, 4,700. There's nothing wrong with it. Once we get up here, we've made our impulse. We've hit the golden zone, selling off, down some consolidation, form a pattern. What do we do after impulses? We look for pattern development. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. Kangs, dude. Kangs. Maybe not, Rufio. Maybe not, dude. Octoman, did you not know that they can't swim? So the Iron Islands are going to be cool, dude. No one cares about the Iron Islands, dude. It's all good, man. They'll figure out somehow. See, I don't understand how, like, if the White Walkers took over, how could they not figure out how they're not, obviously aren't stupid of the White Walkers, so they could literally, okay, there is a boat. Okay, whites, walk on the boat. Get on the boat. We're going to get on the boat too, and we're going to go. Well, he's got a dragon. Maybe. No spoilers, but, right? You see what I'm saying? Say, like, the army of the dead could easily get on boats and go other places, right? Am I crazy here? Wouldn't be difficult to conquer the world. Just saying. How long you gotta wait on Verge Connect, dude? Dude, it's not about, like, dude, you're gonna have to wait, man. Like, these positions, dude, look at it, man. It's like verges towards the apex, right? The apex of the triangle, right? You're just waiting, dude. We thought we were gonna get maybe our shot right there. We didn't. Okay. High point to low point, 382, reversed our price action twice at the 382 at the 200-day moving average and still below it, but holding above the 20 and the 50 moving average, right? So it's coming, man. Whatever happens, the move to the upside downside's coming. I mean, say you get stopped out quick, there might be another entry down at the 139 sats on Verge Connect. Okay. So I know, man. I know. Look. What do you want from me, dude? You know, like, of those top 5 altcoins, this being one of them, you know, Metal, what it did, right? Come on, dude. It happens. Some hit the jackpot, some don't. That's the whole point, the numbers game. You keep playing the numbers game, you keep doing the right thing on coinciding variables, all the converging variables at the same time, you'll win, okay? That's the whole point, I guess, of the top 5 analysis. It's like, all you gotta do is have one winner, like Metal. Out of the 5. But others are doing well too. Yep, spoiler, Demetrios. But dude, if you haven't seen it by now, what are you doing? Like, well, I haven't seen Game of Thrones yet, but I'm working on it. Well, it's only been like 8, 9 years now or something. 8 years. Give me a break, dude. Give me a freaking break. What's up, Bones 420, man? Good to see you, dude. Thanks for being here. Thanks for the 300 people? I don't know. Yeah, 300 people watching. Thank y'all. Hey, let's get a like spike, dude. If you're enjoying the live stream, if you're really enjoying Bitcoin pumping the upside and you hate me, please hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Kangs. Not about me, dude. It's about Bitcoin. It's about analyzing Bitcoin. You can hate my personality, but dude, we analyze Bitcoin hardcore, man. All right, and that's what matters. That's what matters. Geez, KJ, cryptocurrency volumes at $90 billion now. The next highest is $70 billion back in December 2017. Awesome stat. I know someone was talking about that early in the day stream. And as it was growing, they would keep giving us updates and kept saying, hey, we keep breaking records. We've broken the record, dude. $90 billion in crypto exchange today. Wow. That's a big deal, man. Big deal. Hey, and guess what? Other indicators rival that record, right? Though we know 97 is the highest high of all time for the RSI on Bitcoin. We're at 89 right now. That's pretty lit, dude. I really don't think we've ever even gotten close to 97. But, I mean, that one time, but no, not even over.
Sensei of the Crypto Kaidojo in Greenbow, Alabama. Shaping the minds of hot hodlers. Bodhi or Sensei happy together. Uncle John's band. Sid Vicious, can you look at Hexalon, please?
No,
Sid Barrett Lives. 589.
Bodhi or Sensei. Bodhi or Sensei.
Bodhi or Sensei. Bodhi or Sensei!
Yeah, dude, we'll set up an alarm real quick. We hear the beep, dude. We're getting The highest high of this run, of this impulse. Man, I'm dead, dude. I'm dead, and we keep bumping, dude. We keep bumping, baby. Go, baby, go. At the top. Where are we, dude? At the frickin' top of the ascending, broadening wedge. Watch this, dude. Let's extend this sucker out. Oh, no, not even quite. Not quite there yet. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Dude, too many touch points. Too nice of an upsloping resistance. Near the 78% retrace from the swing high to swing low. Here it is, man. 13.2 cents. Let's go, Billy, man. Let's go. Let's be king. Let's go chase a storm. Beautiful megaphone, though. Beautiful megaphone developed. And really, people could argue and say, oh, maybe it's some sort of channel, man. Yeah, definitely could be considered a channel too, right? But, you know, you're taking the entirety of the structure and you know it's just some sort of Bulkowski pattern, all right? Ascending broadening wedge. So anyway, you were so far away from the 200-day moving average because you've been so extremely bearish. Let's look. Oh, wait. Yeah, dude. Just dumpster fire. You know where the major retraces are here on XLM? Well, you got the ones on the top, right? You got one that you're exceeding right now, which is great. You got one more candle close at 13.4 cents, which we're very close to, which is slightly above that 70% retrace. I think that candle close from December 25th, Christmas Day, is going to be right at the top of the
I remember only 40 people viewing a couple months ago. Thanks for all your teaching. Keep showing up, and so will I.
Dude, it was never 40 people. It was maybe 40 people after like 5 hours of streaming, dude. We always maintained a consistent amount of like 140 people, 150 people. Dude, it never was 40, dude. Come on. Literally after like 6-hour streams, we'd get like low member. And really, it's like after I've gone, like I do DJ stuff sometimes. I'll like stay on stream for like an hour and just DJ good music. Yeah, we'll get down to numbers there. But come on, man. Never when I'm live we ever gotten that low. All right. But thank you, dude. Appreciate it. Stop making me look bad, dude. What you want, man? Times were tough, but not that tough, dude. Jeez. Digital nomad investor. Thanks so much for joining House Harmonic. Hey, swear fealty to the technical analysis now. Bend the knee, like we all have before. Thanks, dude. Eric Whitehead, hey Mitch, the day Bitcoin started up like an hour before I moved my Bitcoin into Verge Connect. Oh, yeah, sorry. Sorry, well, I don't even know where I'm at in chat, dude. Oh, fireworks, really? Dude, thank y'all so much for the likes. 111 likes. Y'all are incredible. Fireworks. That was extremely fast. There you go. There are your fireworks for the 100 likes. Forecast is partly cloudy as we reach extremely overbought conditions. Might be facing some turbulence soon. That's okay, man. I'm just gonna keep drinking my beer, man. It's a celebration day for me because though, hey, great, Bitcoin's broken out. Our trades are doing wonderful for the Bitcoin breakout, dude. We were celebrating before this pump, all right. So we're gonna keep enjoying it, reveling in the double icing on the cake. This is like buttermilk icing. Trace la chase cake that we have conducted or concocted. Don't read into that too much. Okay, whatever. I'm not a baker. Bitcoin is literally $2 off. How many subs? I have 5,063 subs. Bitcoin is at 5,065. Now 5,066 subs, dude. We are neck and neck. We are like T-Series and PewDiePie. That's what's going on with Bitcoin and me, man. All right, with this community. Oh my God, man. So anyway, that's XLM, dude. Let's go to, dude, my pin 15. Hey, Bam Bam, thanks for joining House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis. Bend the knee like we have. Thanks, dude. Okay. Come on, baby. Come on. Beautiful. exceeded the areas we were at before. Earlier today, we were 162. Where are we now? $175.30. People were saying, it's crazy, Ray. You're out of your freaking mind to think that we would ever hit 190. You think that we would hit the 786 retrace from X to A. You're out of your freaking mind, Ray. They should put you in the loony bin for thinking that. Well, here we are, dude. Only what? $20 off an entry for a bearish Gartley pattern. Oh, how the tables have turned, chat. Tables have freaking turned. You broke out of what potentially could have been an ascending triangle. 2 reaction lows, 2 reaction highs. Broke it on the third attempt, like Bitcoin. Broke the wall here, too. Broke the wall. White walkers above all 3 moving averages. Next real resistance, well, doesn't look like there's any real resistance. I don't know why we wouldn't run up to $183, dude. Damn, Melissa.
Is that a joint?
Sorry. Dan Wilson, thanks so much for the 2420. I freaking love y'all. I can't believe it. This evening, this past 36 hours has been unrelenting, non-stop, no breaks. Going, baby. Gotta love it, dude. But yeah, let's see what happens at 183.52 with us being overbought. Not as overbought as Bitcoin at 77, about 10, 11 points off Bitcoin's relative strength, which is insane either way, dude. Positive momentum, building, volume, nothing to scoff at. Not really that great. Okay. Wonderful to see though, man. Again, an entry on a short yields you at 194. 194 on the dot is, in fact, the 786 converging with the 1414, dude. That's it, dude. That's the entry for the short. If we can get there, man. Be ready. Be ready up here. Change the color. Let's make it green. 193.32. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Okay, as we pull back some, we consolidate, back test 161 and run again. Keep it methodical, go as long as we need to before we get there, and then we go. All right, it's beautiful. Something interesting though. Okay, despite this pattern, whatever happens with the pattern, let's take a look here. Look here. Listen. This is Ethereum to the US dollar tether on Binance. All right, just hear me out. Okay, we just looked at the US dollars. Don't get mad at me for looking at tether. All right. Probes, man. Chest to chest, man.
Please clap.
Is it over with the 35 Pearl Harbor? Hell no!
Trace Lot Chase Probes tipped $59.58. Congrats on 5K, brother. Have your Trace Lay Chase cake and eat it too. Insanity. Love from the whole fam, brother.
Dude, I feel like I'm going crazy right now, dude. It's been non-stop, dude. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Thank you, brother, man. Probes, man. Jeff. Jacob, Soviet Probst in Emily. Y'all are incredible. And I know you've been busy too, man. You've had a lot on your plate too. And it's just like your kid's coming out and it's like Bitcoin's breaking out. So it's like we had a growl breakout with a Bitcoin breakout at the same time. It was like coinciding variables, dude. Yeah. I'm sure Emily was like, oh, is Bitcoin still trying to steal our thunder or something? I don't think so. It was just a miraculous event. I think really Jake coming into the world had something to do with the Momo shift. Okay. It didn't have anything to do with exhaustion flags. It was Jake Probst. Anyway, thanks for the 59.58, dude. The Kang contribution. And we're looking at Ethereum, though, unfortunately. Yeah, definitely not the golden boy, the scrub boy. Adam Welsh, thanks for joining House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis or get destroyed. Thank you, dude. Anchor point 1 and 2 on the top, 3 and 4 on the bottom. Beautiful respect within it. It's just wonderful. We broke out, but when we broke out, we did exactly what all the other alts did. We formed another downslope structure, slightly lower lows than before, then higher lows. Then we broke the downslope resistance, and that was it, dude. Look what's happened. We had not touched the 200-day moving average since May 21st, 2018, and now where are we? We're breaking above it. Wonderful. You know where the golden zone is, right? I mean, this is what I'm saying, and this is how it started. It already had started, and we were talking about it. It's like people will call you crazy at the time, but by the time we get to those areas of golden retrace, they'll think they're the genius, and they'll say, wow, dude, whatever, man. Of course, it was so easy. It was so easy to call it, and it's like, dude, we've broken above the 200-day moving average. We're about to get a daily golden cross on Tether, right? You keep this, any kind of price action up like this, you're going to get a 20-day and a 50-day bullish crossover of your 200, which is the slower one. And again, we had not even touched it since May of last year, and here we are, April 2nd, 2019, above it. I think that's pretty spectacular, dude. And again, remember, the interpretation could have been ascending triangle, rising wedge, whatever, dudes. Where you just had a sell wall. You had a Westerosi wall, and you broke that Westerosi wall like butter. And then you're out, man. So let's just be simple here on the tether pair and go from the widest areas or tallest areas of the pattern. Measure it, and the measure move, if this played out, would be at, believe it or not, $233, which would all pretty much invalidate our bearish Gartley pattern. Interesting. So thing is, though, man, the golden zone from the major discernible, there's no debate here. There is no way to debate this. There's only one discernible daily swing high, a previous swing high, and that would be back from early May Day, Cinco de Mayo. $370 to $549 is a common retrace. We are doing the exact same thing we do on any traditional market. We're just applying it to crypto. This is the area where common retraces are. That's it, man. Call me crazy all you want, but when this happens, if this happens, you are going to have to eat humble pie if you call me crazy now. Okay. That's it, man. But dude, that could take so long to get there. That could take us until September if it's to happen. All right. Don't be surprised. We sold off over a year long, dude. That's a long time. This has been the longest to date, longest crypto correction we've ever had, beyond any other. So don't be upset about it if we do actually retrace to common areas of the golden zone. Wow. Okay. You heard it. You heard it here. But this doesn't mean, oh my God, Ray's bullish, dude. Oh my God, we're going to break all-time highs. No, it just means we're going to make a lower high than our previous high like we did before, and then we would sell off and maybe, possibly make lower lows than before. That's it, dude. We're just doing exactly what fibs tell us that we should do, or where people would be taking short positions on major retraces. That's it. Blacked out. Sorry. Like Will Ferrell did. And old school, man. Omega Law, Demetrius. That's right, dude. Where's my music, dude? Dude, my music stopped, man. Kind of pisses me off. Well, hold on, man. If that's the case, then I must get something else going. So I guess I will. And we'll just play a classic, dude. A classic that we all know and love. Well, we may not all know it, but we all love it when we hear it for the first time ever, right? Or the trillionth time we've heard it. It's wonderful. Yeah, Tim, it would make sense, right? It's growing. It's growing. That's King Logan. So, you know, big pronoun, dude. So, gosh dang, man, Restream sucks, dude. Oh my God, it's Crypto Nick, man. Did you know? Hey, y'all know Crypto Nick's in chat now, dude. Huh? Jeez. Sorry, I'm trying to catch you on chat. I'm completely behind. Alright, so what's new? Oh, Asian Major, not Asian Minor. I thought that was a Constellations Prosperity Plus, dude. What you talking about? Homie, man. That's what the young kids say. What's up, Pin, dude? Is Bitcoin going up? Yeah, it's going up, dude. We're at 5,063. Hey, actually, we're beating Bitcoin. Currently, we're at 5,068 subs. Bitcoin's a scrub at $5,062. So we're winning right now. We've had a heated battle for the past couple months, right? It's just trying to catch up with us, dude. The higher my sub count goes, the higher Bitcoin goes. Let's go, baby. It is the golden indicator, I guess, right, Kappa? What's up, Dale Shane, man? Just watching from your phone or your car. Just got off work. Heck yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in. Don't get distracted, though. What did I do to Bitcoin, Jack Brown? Whatever the F I want, dude. Hello, Alex. Krang. You came for Bitcoin, found me. Hell, that's good, I guess. Maybe. Edward Park, glad to hear that you love the TA, man. Thank you, man. We must all respect the TA, right? Oh, you just play A Milli by Lil Wayne. I don't think that would... That's kind of... Why would we play A Milli by Lil Wayne, dude? We need some Philadelphia Collins, dude. The only person I think of when I think of Phil Collins is Philadelphia Collins from Trailer Park Boys, dude. And I'll show y'all a picture. This guy, rest in peace, but at the time, what are you looking at me good for? Anyone who's seen this show is probably laughing hard right now. Oh, I can't even screen capture. I never even fixed that. I didn't have time to... Oh, it works now. This guy. See, randomly, like, it all of a sudden works, dude. Look, what are you looking at me good for? Yeah, his name's Phil Collins in the show. It's funny. And you think his name's, like, Philip Collins, but no, it's Philadelphia, dude. Mimut, thanks so much for joining House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis or be destroyed. Thanks, dude. What about Bitcoin Cash, dude? We've been looking at it all day, man. Which pair, dude? We've been looking at multiple pairs. ABC, find out what it means to be, or the other one, SV. Yeah, dude, it's still there, right? It's BCH, ABC, Jackson 5. Right, like ascending triangle-esque, but there you go, man. You just can't break the critical resistance, right? You were above it, and it was like we were live when it all happened, but dude, it's really not just pulling back now to expected levels, right? Jonah, be good. Thanks for joining House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis or be destroyed. Sorry, I'm working on my new cadence, man. It's all new, man. It's all new, dude. So we're back below the 88.6% retrace at 52,452 sats. Okay, sorry. Sometimes you keep seeing all this 0.05 stuff. You're like, is that 5.2 cents or is that 52,000? You just gotta like make sure, because you look at so many charts. Like I feel like I've literally lost my mind inside these charts sometimes. Okay, you just look at charts all day, dude. It's like, you know, it's like what does Matthew McConaughey say in what is it, the movie, The Wolf of Wall Street? Over the head mustard S. You know, just constant candles. That's all you look at all day. You gotta get balanced, dude. Haven't had much balance in the past couple days, dude. Frank the tank! Frank the tank! Frank the tank!
As a world leader, it is important for America to provide systematic research grants for our scientists. I believe there will always be a need for us to have a well-articulated innovation policy with emphasis on human resource development. Thank you.
I blacked out. Oh, sorry. Fantastic. That's probably the best tip of the day. I don't think there's been one tip better than that. Extremely nice. Thank you, Frank the Tank. Once it hits the lips, it feels so good. Thank you. It feels so good! Oh my god. Hey, Zachary, man. Dude, that'd be a wonderful sound clip to get, dude, right? Alfred's B. Welcome to House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis will be destroyed. Thank you. Satcher, do you hear me? The part where Will Ferrell blacks out, that'd be a great sound clip, dude. Okay, thanks. Put that in my good idea folder. Okay. So BCH to ABC to BTC. Oh my god, how many more letters will there be? We'll see. Oh yeah, dude, come on. Crypto Chef and others, patrons, I know you've been watching this one. Look here, listen. We have not yet hit the first target, but golly gee, we're one block away. The first target of this pattern, 21,104. We got as high as what? 19,329 sats. Dude, beautiful down, or just beautiful harmonic pattern. That's why we're our house harmonic, dude. So form swing trading, and we do it big here, man. 78% retrace, 1414 retrace, Kangage entry level. Here it goes. Let's see what happens, man. Will we hit our first target? We hit the first target, we're happy, man. Now we got 3 targets. 382, 618, 886 to 100% is debatable on the third one, but really the primary target's 21,104 and the secondary target's 24,905. Okay? See if we can get there and be Kangs, man. We could be Kangs. Max powers, dude. Thanks so much. Join House Harmonic. Swear field to the technical analysis be destroyed. Thank you, dude.
Is that a joint?
When is this bear market going to end?
Bear market, dude? Oh, never, dude. Through bull markets and bear markets, we will remain bearish. Party time, sorrow time, Kang time. Make money on the ups and the downs. That's why you can't be perma bearish or perma bullish. Okay? You just play the TA. Enjoy it. And when it's on the upside, it's good, man, because it's like, yeah, though you like when it was selling off, we didn't really care. It's like not like we're affected, but the thing is, it's like everyone else is affected, and it's like, you know, it's like you're having a party by yourself when it's selling off because you respect the TA, and other people around you, you know, respect the TA, but not everyone is enjoying it because they're sad because a lot of people just like holding in this market, you know. Questionably, but when it breaks the upside, everyone's happy, and so it's like, okay, I like that side a little better because everyone else, you know, wins too. But a lot of people lose when the shorting action's happening, right? So it's good, man. But bearish in the bear markets and bull markets, right, dude? Kangsman, dude, for the 420, dude. I'm like Mark Laring Kangs now. SV is not Bitcoin Cash. Uh-oh. Elon did not inhale either, Emma. Did you hear? I think we heard. Holy crap. Jeez. Oh, Dogecoin. Oh my god, man. We looked at Dogecoin earlier, dude. But I can't remember what pair we looked at. Was it the Polonius? I think it was. I don't even know, man. Dude, I'm losing my mind. Alright, just leave me alone for a sec. Let me figure this out. I think this is it, dude. Yeah, dude. Okay. Alright, man. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Now, we did exceed it earlier. We pulled back. We were back below it, and now we're pumping again, which is great. Dude, Doge and Elon are high as a kite. Doge is sitting at 90 on the RSI. You haven't even hit the golden zone yet, right? From what's the golden zone, man? From the major swing high, discernible swing high to swing low. The beginning of the golden zone in this situation is 37% of 1 cent. Just so close to it, right? Well, I mean, like technically, I mean, 37. We have to get down in the whatevers. The 100ths of cents to talk about it, but we pretty much hit the golden zone, which you can see here highlighted. This is the measured move of the double bottom, right? One bottom, you ran up, created a pinnacle, so you had a discernible second bottom that was lower than the previous low with bullish divergence. So class A bullish divergence, you broke to the upside, and again, you have now, I mean this daily, so like the previous day did not close above that resistance point, so if we could close and confirm above this today, which, you know, we've got like 20 hours left on this daily candle. If we can close above it, then that would confirm that the double bottom is real and valid. And so again, the measure move of that pattern is just measuring from the low point to the high point of the pattern, and it's up at 43% of 1 cent. Dogecoin, baby, let's go. It's gonna replace Apple, dude, and the US dollar and the government, dude. Let's go, man. Let's go, baby. Hey, dude. History repeating itself. Look, double bottom Kangs. Double bottom Kangs. Kind of, dude. Ooh, new 4-hour candle has developed, and it is time for your local on the 8th. It's been live for 1 hour now. Please hit that like button, that bell, that sub if you're enjoying the broadcast. If you hate me but you love Bitcoin, that's cool too, man. You still hit that like button. What's up, BG? Welcome to House Harmonics, where field to the technical analysis now or be destroyed. Thank you, dude. Okay. It's like, Ray, you're literally threatening everyone with destruction if they don't respect TA. Well, there it is, man. That's what this channel is all about. TA. Okay, man. Here we are. Little sign of a retrace on the daily, sure. But if you look at the 4-hour, we are showing a little red. Looking at my other screen right now. Just sawing off a little bit. 5,037. We got to... Seems like we're taking the lead for real on Bitcoin, and Bitcoin's not going to be able to catch up with us on subs. Okay, again, for the past like month, Bitcoin, or month, 2 months, right? Bitcoin and my sub count has been literally neck and neck. And I pulled ahead real hardcore until the breakout yesterday, and then it caught right back up with us. Kaveb, Arbab, thanks so much for joining House Harmonic. Please respect the TA or be destroyed. Thank you, dude. Swear fealty. And House Harmonic, dude. Thank you. Okay. So right here, daily, still below that critical resistance point. I mean, the thing is, though, remember, for the whole point of, or whole part of the day stream, we were struggling tremendously to break above 49.42 and 49.82, right? So we broke it, and now we're above it, and now we're in the midst of this little vacuum, right? Where there's not much resistance until you get up to 5,100, really. So that was back 2017. Remember August of 2017, man. These are the resistances we're working with, we're playing with right now. Ancient, kind of, in crypto time. Okay. So really, no man's land. So you run up, and you should just keep hitting 5,100 as a resistance, because that is back from October of 2017. One stupid scrub wick. But one stupid scrub wick is very weak in normal context, but in the context of, say, you're at 89 on the RSI, it does act as some sort of resistance, and will be respected for the most part, dude. So that's it right now on Bitcoin, dude. Okay, just in this scrub resistance area, 618, 5231, and really 5231 is kind of nothing. Like, though it is the 60% retrace, there's nothing here, man. You break where we are now, where you're breaking, there's nothing above you. And again, the only reason I'm reluctant here is because of the RSI, the overboughtness. Okay, so you pull back some, you stall for a couple days and don't do anything, you just go sideways in this area and you reset the oscillator, I'll be much more confident about us breaking to the 5231 area, the 618. And really, if you're not too overbought, or you're not overbought at all by the time you get there, man, there's no real reason to believe that we wouldn't run up to at least 5,500, where a candle low close was October 25th of 2017, and really that's nothing compared to the real formal resistance at the 5,800 area, which is the 78% retrace from the high from November 7th to the low of December 15th, both of those 2018. I blacked out, man. Anyway, holy crap, man. Just give me a second to catch up on chat and collect my thoughts and my breath and everything else, dude. I've streamed like 13, 14 hours in 2 days now. So, and you know, static videos too. So it's just been, I really kind of feel like I'm outer space right now. Literal outer space right now. Okay, thanks. Moonshine Fuel has not bought a new t-shirt since 1985. Congratulations, dude, on all your success, man. I think that's when, hey, man, that was when Oklahoma won the national championship, dude. Ask Billy, dude. He knows all about it. Whew. Keith, thank God, man, we looked at Doge for you, dude, all right? Jurgen is a big Bubbles fan. Decent. Coin market cap drama? Nah, dude. What's the weird drama with coin market cap, dude? Oh, dude, I can't even get through this chat, man. There's just too much of it, man. You did it, man. You're a Patreon supporter. Alex, man, dude, thank you so much, man, for joining the Patreon, dude. I don't know why the Streamlabs isn't working. If you're joining the Patreon and it's like in the past, like when I'm live, I don't know what happened. It was working. Everything was perfect yesterday, and now it's all broken, dude. Everything. The tip jar it doesn't even work anymore, and they've admitted it to me. They've admitted, Ray, we've identified a bug that's going on. We don't know what's going on. We've escalated it to our lead developers, and that's it, dude. Best of luck to you. Screw you, Ray. It really is like that, man. Okay, man. Jeez. BG, sorry you're late. It's okay. Did someone say beer? Yeah, we've been saying beer, dude. We've been saying beer, dude. ADS cooling down, Dan S. Well, about time, right? Get some sleep, rest my mind. You need me healthy. It's okay, dude. Oh, man. It's just the fact that we hit 5,000 subs, man. It's like, feels like a duty to be on as long as you possibly can until you're dead, right? It's a big milestone, I guess. Like, I cherish 5,000 subs. I mean, I think that's a big deal. To me, anyway. It might be nothing to everyone else, but I'm proud. Because it's the second time I've grown a YouTube channel to over 5,000 subs, so it's a big, it feels good, man. Where would you like to see us pull back? Well, Paul Wall, man, we have to establish a swing high for that. If this is the swing high, we would use either one of these swing lows, a swing low to swing high, once we establish that swing high, to look for a 23, 38, 50%, or 62% retrace before running again. That's it, dude. We don't really know yet what the number would be, because once we establish the swing high up here, then we can fib to establish some sort of target, but we can't do that yet because we don't know. Swing high is not in place yet, right? Man, you're chilling, Tion. Thanks for being here, dude. What's up, Brian Gomez? Genix, get tipped in crypto, duh. Well, you can tip me in crypto, like Bitcoin and Litecoin and Ethereum. It's in the description below. But for some reason, you can't tip in the other ones because it's broken. You can, but it's not going to show up on Streamlabs. I don't know, man. I really just don't know anymore, man. It's all like jinkety jankety. Let's go to the bankety, dude. I'm just playing manual DJ tonight. That's what I'm doing. What's up, Kyle Olson, man? You joined like 20 minutes ago. Thanks for joining, dude. Oh, there's Sean B. What's up, dude? Tons of fake volume in the markets, bruh. Been known for a long time. Okay, well, we also know we don't put the most amount of emphasis on volume being as one indicator. We have many indicators: momentum, relative strength, critical supports, harmonics, Bulkowski patterns, Fibonacci. Volume's just one, so volume's really not that big a deal to us. Okay, but we know that we don't put the most amount of emphasis on crypto volume because of that. We going down now, Sunday Village? Are we screwed? Yeah, we're starting to sell off. Hey, we're now below 5,000 again on Bitcoin, then. If you didn't know. Moz Blaze, thanks for joining House Harmonic. Respect to T or be destroyed at 89 on the RSI. You should expect some sort of cooldown period, which we're rejecting now. We've rejected this 5100 area twice for now. What's up, Dirty Fergie, dude? I'm doing sleepy. I'm doing dead. It's been like just non-stop for the past 36 hours, man. Alright. It's just catching up with me now. How's the Beamer driving? Beamer driving great, man. Just, I don't drive it much, though, so. Yeah, 190 billion Vegas games. You think that's what's going to happen, man? Well, I don't know if we pull back. Okay, 4 hour, showing a red candle for now. Such a fun stream to be on with everything going on. Keep up the great TA. Thanks, James Skinner, man, for the kind words. Harry K, thank you too, man. All right. You're referring to the CoinMarketCap, my bad, dude. Sorry. The market like you high. Are you high, dude, Mozblaze, man? Is this you, Mozblaze, right now?
Is that a joint?
Marijuana's bad.
I'm good. No XRP yet. I'm out of here. Dude, we did look at XRP earlier in the stream, man. What you talking about? You know what, though? We're going to do a change up and just do XRP to BTC. Alright, so it's crazy, right? Bitcoin's selling off a little bit, and now so is XRP. We're still in that zone of entry. The best optimum entry, but you can see the wick happened. Why Bitcoin volatility creates those wicks. Happened across the market. It is a scar forever left. We've seen the scar before, the wick, before the reversal. Again, man, you just got to be patient on this one. And believe. And believe. Okay. Should you sub Genix? Did Grizzly Adams have a beard? Yes, he did, so that means yes, you should, right? I think that's how it works. I don't know. Brookolinos, congratulations on 5,000. April 1st was our first profit as newbies. Thanks for being there. Hey, Brookolinos, congratulations on your gains, your sick, fat gains, and thanks for watching and giving me the support. Thank you, dude. Appreciate it. What do I think of that guy's predictions of that until then? How in the world does that help me if I'm a trader? That doesn't help anyone if they're trading. Now, I'll tell you this, man. One would not suggest investing in this market because of the extreme amount of speculation and the infantility of the market, right? We're so young. It is a cash grab phase of crypto where it's a bunch of scammers creating ICOs, not to expand funds for the expansion of their product, service, and good that they're going to sell to you. It's more about ICOing so they can dump on your head after you've pumped it. So, for us to break down those levels, it does not seem out of the realm of possibility at all. But I don't really care if we go down there because I'm not looking long-term. I'm looking more mid-term for trade setups. Bearish ciphers, bullish ciphers, rising wedges, falling wedges, symmetrical triangles. I'm looking for trade setups. To short or long, I don't care. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking for 2K in 1.5 years, man. I will use my philosophy for crypto. Like, it's not relevant to me. And to most people in this channel that care about actually trying to trade, no one cares about a 2020 prediction, dude. That's like Rudy Poo. Any 5-year-old could give a 2020 prediction on crypto. But hey, who's going to be able to give a prediction in the next week or 3 weeks about where something could or could not play out to? That's what we do here. We are not the philosophy people, crypto philosophers, whatever, dude. You're going to call it, man. All right, that's how I feel. Doesn't bother us or concern us at all. Okay. Sorry. Grizzly Adams did have a beard. There you go. Then that's the answer, right? We fly high, man. That's why we do it, dude. Invest in Doge. ICOs are scams. Yeah, dude. We totally said invest in Doge. Capo. Crypto. Oh, does it, Willie? WDS, man? Yeah, dude. Totally. Totally, man. Totally. Is this live, Max Expo? Are we not screwed? No, we're not screwed. We're inverse screwed. Now, I mean, it just depends what you're looking at. But it has been pretty nice so far. This Birdie the Upside has been the double icing on the cake, the Trace Chase to our cake making. All right. Wow, Rufio, really? I mean, I know that's a Randy Bobandy quote, I think, right? Pinoy, do you have sources on this, or are you just talking? Pierre Leah Paz, man. Leah Paz. Yeah, Leah Paz, man. Thanks for joining House Harmonic. Swear fealty to the technical analysis should be destroyed, dude. Thank you, dude. In the nicest way possible. Okay, thanks. So Patrick McCovey, dude. Philosophizer. Are you a Googleist, man? Exactly, we fly high. Exactly. And we don't even do that because it's stupid. It's like, oh yeah, man, I'm gonna give a 1-year price prediction on Bitcoin. Like, that's so stupid. It, like, the further you get out in time, the more unreliable that prediction is going to be, based on variables that you can't control or even identify or understand where they're coming from, if they even come. Okay, so make this promise, Alex. Congratulations, man. Kangs. You're one of those philosophy people. You'll sit through it. Okay, dude. But I mean, like, but the philosophers are saying we're going to 1,000 by March 27th of 2021, dude. What say you? Okay. Bitcoin Hex, dude. I don't know. Isn't Trayvon Martin, like, in bed with them or something? Something scrubby. Maybe that's Tron Hex. I don't know, dude. Dude, you must be looking at the 1-second chart. Sunny Flares should be saying we're crashing. Dude, we're literally down. I don't even know, like $30 or something. Man, so nice, dude. So nice. Yeah, dude. Like on a Bitcoin, look at that, man. Look how high we ran. We breached the 50% retrace. We ran as high as pretty much 17,000 sats, man. But we know it's great, dude. We're in the midst of the excuse me, I'm just burping, man, because of beer. It's got carbonation in it. All right. From that major discernible swing high back from February 14th, 2018 to December 15th, 2018. Broke to the upside, and we've hit that 50%, exceeded it, and the golden zone, as you can see, are between 13,836 sats and 18,111 sats. We're just in the dead middle of it right now. So Litecoin doing things, baby, doing things. Look at all this crazy, insane bullish divergence at these levels. It was beautiful. And then we broke out. Then the golden cross happened early February, and look where we are now. The prerequisite to a nice sustained bull run is a golden cross on a daily time scale. John Sampson, man, really appreciate the kind words, dude. Dude, that means a lot, man. Thank you. It's an honor. And, you know, I don't try to compare myself to other people for the most part, because it's only going to cause you stress and you'll never be satisfied. But thank you, man. It means a lot, dude. Thank you for being here, and glad you're a sub, man. My back's kind of killing me, dude. Been sitting in this chair for like way too long, man. You always look at the 1-second chart versus swing trade. Hey, me too, dude. We fly. Oh my god, man. No wonder we flying high, dude. Slow down. Yeah, 3 to 4 a.m. Eastern. Uh-oh, man. Idiot crashing so hard, Sunny Flares. Maybe crashing. I don't think you know what that word means, man. Okay. I don't. What is it? The. Sunny Flares, not to be mean or anything, but I think this might be applicable to you right now for the word crashing. You keep using that word. I don't think you know what it means, man. Golden Bombay!
Gordon Bombay tipped $25. I resent your statement. What's a bigger exit scam? An equal or the lift IPO? I echoed into this space to truly change the world. Wah ha 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 ha, I can't lie anymore. Triple dicked everyone.
Oh. You triple dicked everyone, dude. I think you meant to say, well, let's go back. I don't think you know that word means. You tried to triple deke, dude, but TTS destroyed your face and just took the steam out of your entire TTS, dude. You just got triple deked. That's not what they said. Okay, man. Holy crap. Anyway, Gorn Bombay, do you realize that the antagonist to your team is on EOS? What are you even in, dude? You're in the Lyft IPO, Gordon. Jeez, man, things really didn't work out very well after all those Mighty Ducks went to. How do I even remember this? Ethan Hall. Ethan Hall was the middle school or the high school, the private school they went to for scholarships, dude. How do I remember that? Dude, that's insane, man. Okay, sometimes weird stuff like that, you just retain that knowledge for one reason or another. Okay. All right, let's go. Ethan Hall. What were they? They were the Seminoles, or the, what were they, chat? The Tomahawks, the Indians. Ethan Hall. Someone give me some clarification on that. Thanks, Gordon Bombay, for the 25, dude. Almost made me chug, but not quite. Feeling the womp womps just from lack of everything but staring at candlesticks for the past 36 hours, dude. Just staring. Okay, I'll take a break when I do my photoshopping on my stuff, but whatever. You get it, man. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god, dude. Satchery. Fantastic, dude.
I blackout.
Dang, dude. That was it? That's all it is? I pictured it better in my mind, dude. Satchery. I guess it just didn't work out very well. I'm like that. Doge will show you the way. Well, we looked at Doge multiple times today. We changed it, break back down. Revio. Sorry, man. I'm trying to. It's hard focusing, dude. Like, I'm literally like trying to focus now. My focus and attention span is like, it's definitely waning, and it's really not. I think it's just the fault of me not doing things probably the way I should, by like taking proper breaks. Dude, you know Litecoin's up 33% today, or it was up until a second ago. Dude, 33%. Jeez, man. Yep, Litecoin, or sorry, Doge and Elon are in bed. Yep. Whew. Ethan Hawke. No, it's not Ethan Hawke, dude. Mighty Ducks was not a very good movie. No, it wasn't. What are we gonna do this for? The alumni? Alumni, the high school alumni? Sure, dude. Good God. Dude, don't even get me started on Tron Connect. Booger eating, hotel staying, scrub, dude. Justin Sun, man. Okay. Eden Hall. Is it really Eden Hall? The Eden Hall, where? Eden Hall, not Ethan Hall. No. See, I partially had it. Okay. Partially had it. Eden Hall Warriors. Alright, hodl away, dude. Do you think, man? Alright, look, I don't know what to do, man. I'm dead, dude. I'm like on E. I'm running on E right now in chat. If I'm gonna come back tomorrow and somehow stream the sell-off that we might have, the retrace that we might have at least, I think I need to get some rest or something, dude. I'm just, yeah, Booger Connect. That's it, dude. Rise of the Doge King. They're killing me, man. Okay. All right, y'all. Please don't hold it against me that I've only been live for an hour and 18 minutes. I did do a 4-hour, pretty much a 4-hour live stream earlier in the day. So now we're like 5 hours and 18 minutes into it. And then yesterday was an over 8-hour live stream duration between the day and the night stream. They ended up being part 1, part 2. This is part 1, part 2 today. So it's just been a very, very extended amount of streaming. So my mental health, for the sake of my mental health, I might need to just get some rest, dude. Okay. Okay. All right. Do a little rundown real quick. Gordon Bombay, man. Gordon Bombay, freaking love you, man. Thanks for the 25, dude. Kangsman, thanks for the 420. Frank the Tank, thanks for 33. Can't top, won't top. Frank the Tank. Dan and Melissa, thank you so much for 2420. Matt Shapper, dude. Howard Kalin. Billy, man, thank you. That's it. Thank y'all so much for the contributions. Means everything. Thanks so much for the new pages today. Freaking leave y'all, please just be empathetic that I'm just kind of exhausted, alright? So I'd be on here longer if I could, but I'll be back tomorrow. Y'all are amazing. I freaking love y'all. Each and every one of you. 364 people here. Please hit that sub button, that like button, that bell if you enjoyed this broadcast. There's many more to come. I stream twice a day and pretty static videos, man. We're all over the TA. You want the best source of TA? Come here. Till next time, respect the TA.
When I close my eyes, you come alive. When I close my eyes, you come alive. I'll never forget the words you said, but you're not here. Tell me, where are you? Where are you? Sometimes I still reach out to you, but you're not here. Tell me, where are you? Where are you? I'll never forget your face whenever I pass this place. You're haunting my mind like a ghost. Time after time I'm lost without you. Without you.
Is that a joint?
I like turtles.
That boy is good.
Adios, turd nuggets.